Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create and modify a T-beam profile in FreeCAD using a Python script, okay? But guys, before we jump into the details, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to show the Python console here, okay? In the bottom section of FreeCAD. And to do this, you need to go to View, you go to Panels, then Python console, okay? You will get something like this. This is the Python console. And the next step will be clicking on the link mentioned in the description box below. And once you get this Python script, you click Ctrl A, then Ctrl C, then you paste the code in the Python console like this, paste, okay? Right click, fit all. Then as you can see here, this is the T-beam profile. I'm gonna click on the neutral axis, then click on the space bar to hide it. I'm gonna do the same thing for the center line, okay? So the question here is, how can I use the Python script to modify this design, okay? You come back to the code, you go to the top, and as you can see here you have the height, the flange width, the web thickness, the flange thickness, and the length. Let's say that also you have the fillet radius, okay? Let's say that I want to change the length of the profile from 3000 to 1000 millimeter to 1 meter. I'm gonna go and click Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. I'm gonna come back here, right click, clear console, right click, then paste. Okay, right click, fit all. Then as you can see here, this is the new design. Okay, I'm gonna do the same here. I'm gonna hide the center line, then the neutral axis. Then I'm gonna save this new design as a step file. Export. You can change the name of the file. Then you go and select the step as a file format. Then you click on save. Then you click on OK. Okay, now I'm gonna drag and drop this step file in CATIA. Then as you can see here, this is how it looks like. The T-beam profile created in FreeCAD using a Python script. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer channel. Thanks for watching.